Okay, so for the dice game, guys, if you'll pretend that this is your graph paper and you want to use the yellow graph paper I gave you, um, because the squares will be bigger, you can use the smaller regular graph paper. It'll just take you a lot longer. So the rules are you're going to roll your dice, okay? And I have 4 and 5. So I'm going to draw a box that is 4 long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my box is going to be 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 tall. Now, I said in the directions, if you use a ruler, it does make it a lot easier for yourself because your boxes will be nice and crisp and straight, and it just makes it easier at the end. So I'm going to write in here 4, here are my dice, 4 times 5. So 4 times 5. And I'm going to roll again. Oh, 5 times 1. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color. Again, you can do this with pencil. That's fine. So it's going to be 1 and then 5. And so I have to think about if I'm going to fill up this, I have to be strategic about where I put this. So since I already have 5 here and I only need 1, I'm going to do that. So this one is a 1. Again, I'm going to use my ruler because it looks prettier and it makes it easier at the end when I have to count up my boxes. So in this one, I'm going to write 5 times 1. And if you notice, I'm also keeping my digits 1 in each box. It just keeps my writing much neater. All right, so goodness, 5 and 6. I'm kind of getting lucky. I have 5 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I got to fill up this whole side of my page. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lines down. I'm in good shape to have no lines, no squares left on my page. All right, so I go through, and that was 6 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put in 6 times 5. Okay, now I'm going to keep going. Oh, I have 6 times 5 again, but if I look, I don't have 5, and I can't make, I don't have 5, and I can't make 6. And my boxes have to be the right dimensions. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can go 6 this way, but I only have 5 here, so that won't work. So I'm going to have to roll again. And I got a 5 and a 1. Okay, I can do that. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then it's only 1 across. So I'm going to take this, oh, new color. And I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. And then I write 5 times 1. And I keep going. Now, I'm just going to make up some stuff here just to hurry this up. So let's say this was 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say that was my next one I got. Whoop, all the way down. And remember, this one is 3 times 6. So I'm going to write that in. This one was 3 times 6. Okay. Let's say my next one is 3 times 3. Okay, so I've got to be strategic. So I'm going to go 3, 1, 2, 3 times 3 right here. So if I do 3 times 3 right there, 3 times 3. Okay, now let's say I'm done. I've used all of my rolls. I get 15 rolls. So I finished all my rolls. Now I'm going to count up all the ones that are empty. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are all the boxes that did not get put inside my bigger boxes. So my total number I had empty was 12. Now you count the empty boxes individually, okay? And so that's what it'll be. So if anybody filled out one like this and they got 11, then they would have beaten me and won the game. So that is how you play dice. So have fun with this and see how small this number of blank spaces can be in the end.